We're not just looking at a new automobile today, we're looking into the future. We're about to go on an astonishing adventure with Mercedes-Benz AI-powered automobile. Brace yourself, because what you're about to see will forever alter your perception of automobiles. Let's get this party started. Mercedes-Benz is eager to include ChatGPT, an AI language model, into its vehicles. Mercedes-Benz cars will have better voice control functions thanks to this integration, making it simpler and more pleasurable to use them. The following 3 key revelations regarding this integration. Mercedes-Benz is expanding the use of artificial intelligence by integrating ChatGPT into its voice control system. The voice assistant can now respond to a larger range of subjects and better understand natural language thanks to this integration. The new GPT-powered Mercedes-Benz User Experience Voice Assistant allows voice-activated controls for a number of auto functions, including navigation, seat heating, and climate control. Drivers may now simply control these features without using any physical controls. The Mercedes-Benz Voice Assistant is renowned for its simple use and wide range of commands. It can give real-time instructions, respond to inquiries about the environment, and even operate smart gadgets. The inclusion of ChatGPT expands the capabilities of the voice assistant and enables more thorough and organic interactions. We're greeted by an interior that seems more like a sumptuous cockpit than a car as soon as you step inside this technical masterpiece. This is a sophisticated tech hub on wheels, not simply a car. The touchscreen interface, a primary hub that combines and manages all of the vehicle's artificial intelligence elements, stands out on the inside of the vehicle. It is the beast's heart. The UI is simple to use and straightforward. All of this technology has been included by Mercedes-Benz while upholding the high standards of elegance and comfort for which the company is renowned. The cutting-edge GPS technology quickly determines the most effective path when the driver asks the car to travel to the closest coffee shop. The path is quickly shown thanks to the flawless voice recognition and navigation system integration, highlighting the accuracy of the AI system. One can test the car's entertainment potential by looking around more. A request to play some smooth jazz causes the automobile to be filled with the calming sounds of jazz music. The AI system's rapid and precise reaction demonstrates its comprehension and successful implementation of a variety of orders, offering a customized entertainment experience. The autonomous driving capability, however, is the gem in the crown of the AI features. The automobile switches from manual to autonomous mode with a single command. After that, the vehicle drives itself through traffic, complies with traffic laws, and adjusts to shifting road conditions while the driver relaxes and enjoys the trip. The AI system does not just follow predetermined paths. It continuously assesses its surroundings, deciphers traffic signs, detects other cars, and modifies its speed in response to current traffic circumstances. This is more than just a self-driving car. It's a glimpse into the future of mobility, where artificial intelligence will improve ease and safety. Because of this, the Mercedes-Benz AI-powered car is a marvel of modern engineering. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a companion that adapts, learns, and offers a distinctive driving experience. It's the prime example of how convenience, style, and cutting-edge technology can all come together to create a journey that is entirely tailored to the traveler. The AI system can adjust to the driver's behaviors, from preferred seat position to favored music genres, thanks to its continual learning capabilities. With time, it learns when you might like a colder cabin temperature or a warmer one, or when to recommend your preferred coffee shop on the way to work. This artificial intelligence system's predictive analysis is impressive. It can forecast traffic patterns, recommend appropriate departure times, and efficiently optimizes routes by gathering and analyzing data. In real time, it also modifies the suspension and throttle responsiveness of the car in reaction to impending road conditions. The system's sophisticated speech recognition feature improves user engagement even further. You can naturally communicate with your Mercedes-Benz and ask it questions or make requests. It comprehends context and can even discriminate between the voices of several users. But it's not just about convenience and comfort. The AI system is essential for safety as well. It fuels the sophisticated driver assistance system that enables functions like autonomous emergency braking, lane maintenance assistance, and in some circumstances, autonomous driving. Customers of Mercedes-Benz can participate in a 3-month U.S.-focused beta program to be early adopters of the new technology. On June 16, 2023, the beta program will start for more than 900,000 U.S. vehicles with the MBUX infotainment system. A unique feature of this new beta program is that users may sign up from their car simply stating, "Hey Mercedes, I want to join the beta program." According to Mercedes, this study result will be utilized to enhance the voice assistant and specify future deployment plans. But this drive doesn't spell the end of enchantment. The AI in the automobile takes a step further by personalizing your driving experience. It pays attention to little things like how you like your seats to be set up, the music you enjoy, and even the driving routes you like. It then makes use of this data to design an especially personalized driving experience for you. Mercedes-Benz AI-powered technology adapts to you, giving you a driving experience that is as dynamic as you are. The AI-powered Mercedes-Benz is more than simply a car. Thanks to its cutting-edge technology and opulent aesthetics, it offers a glimpse into the leisure travel of the future, as well as a chance to connect and engage in an experience. In the future, when your automobiles are more than simply mechanical devices, this will be a significant step forward. They'll become responsive, engaging traveling companions, changing the way we think about mobility. Giving back time to our customers is a crucial part of our strategy to produce the most sought-after vehicles on the planet, since time is one of the most important resources in the modern world. To do that, we significantly improved the field of autonomous driving with our Drive Pilot, placing us at the forefront of innovation. Drive Pilot is another illustration of how our pioneering attitude is ingrained in our DNA. Certification in Nevada marks the beginning of its international deployment, as well as the start of a new era. Marcus Schaefer, the Mercedes-Benz Group AG's Chief Technology Officer and a member of the Board of Management, is in charge of development and procurement. Up to a speed of 40 miles per hour, Drive Pilot can offer to take over the dynamic driving responsibility on approved motorway portions and in areas with heavy traffic. Above the thumb recesses on the left and right side of the steering wheel rim are the control buttons required for this. When the right circumstances exist, the system displays an availability on the control buttons. When the driver selects Drive Pilot, the technology automatically maintains the vehicle's lane while regulating speed and distance. Accordingly, the route profile, things that happen along the way, and traffic signs are taken into account. Additionally, the system responds to unforeseen traffic circumstances and manages them on its own, for instance, by braking or invasive lane changes. The appearance of the automobile has been painstakingly crafted in every way, from the alloy wheels that combine performance and unmistakable visual appeal to the LED headlamps that offer an aesthetic and practical edge. The car's svelte aerodynamics are not just for show. They're blatant indications of a tremendous performance and power hidden behind the chic exterior. People, there you have it. This concluded our in-depth examination of the Mercedes-Benz AI-powered vehicle. For more thought-provoking reviews, commentary, and the latest auto industry news, visit Automobile World often. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more vehicle adventures.